Hey YouTube, what's going on? Today another bit more work going on for the today we're gonna be getting this wiring in. I'm gonna be doing some plumbing, and I'm actually gonna be plumbing up the hoses and fixing this one connector. I might even put the radiator back in it and get it to the point where we'll get the radiator and maybe the AC back into it. Get it to the point where she's almost ready to crank over and get going. I'm getting super excited on this one, but as I've learned in the past, the last little bit, rushing through it, generally ends up in a mistake. Hence the reason the engine actually had to get a head replaced. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with pulling this wiring through in here. Through that hole in there, so we'll go inside the car. Alright, so on the inside here, and the wiring is, I can get you back in here, that bunch of wiring right back here. So it should get pulled out and around, and up front here, and then the wiring and the ECU will actually all go in. So come back once it's all pulled through and the ECU's in. And with that, see the wiring harness coming through here. Get them tucked up a bit. It's tucked up here. And your ECU is right up there, mounted. So I'll install the box, and next time we see it, I'll be back in the engine bay. Alright, with me back up front here, did a little bit of work off camera. So I got the wiring all situated. I repaired the broken wire down here. I've got my coolant lines all run in here. Got the radiator and AC condenser installed. Got the lines for the ACs run. Got my coolant reservoir, wash-up fluid all set up there. Pretty much got it to the point where I could throw some oil in it, crank it, and fire it up. So this is where I'm going to be ending today's video. On the next video, we'll be addressing putting the wheels on it, on the front, doing the shift linkage, the exhaust system, and we'll get the front and back. We'll get the thing on all four wheels, and we'll get this red bar on the bottom here straightened out again, so that it's sitting correctly for the vehicle, and then go from there. But yeah, a couple more videos on this one, and then she'll be fully up and running. Hope you guys enjoy it. Feel free to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.